Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into a topic that many of you have been asking about: how to make $1,000 a week. Whether you're looking to boost your income, save up for something special, or simply improve your financial situation, these tips will help you reach your goal. So, let's jump right in. First things first, let's break down the numbers. $1,000 a week may sound like a daunting goal, but with a bit of planning and determination, it's absolutely achievable. We'll explore a few different avenues to reach this target. One of the most accessible ways to make extra money is through online freelancing. Websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr offer a wide range of opportunities for freelancers in various fields, including writing, graphic design, programming, and more. By leveraging your skills and expertise, you can easily earn a significant income on a flexible schedule. Another option to consider is starting a side hustle. Whether it's baking homemade treats, tutoring students, or offering pet sitting services, there are countless ways to turn your hobbies and passions into profitable ventures. With a bit of creativity and marketing savvy, you can generate a steady stream of income while doing something you love. Next up, let's talk about the gig economy. Companies like Uber, Lyft, and DoorDash provide opportunities for individuals to earn money on their own terms by driving, delivering food, or completing tasks. With the flexibility to set your own hours and work as much or as little as you want, these platforms offer a convenient way to supplement your income and reach your financial goals. Of course, maximizing your earnings also requires careful budgeting and planning. Take the time to track your expenses, set realistic goals, and prioritize your spending accordingly. By cutting back on unnecessary purchases and focusing on your priorities, you can free up more money to put towards your $1,000 a week goal. Finally, don't forget about passive income streams. Whether it's investing in stocks, rental properties, or starting a blog or YouTube channel, passive income can provide a steady stream of revenue with minimal ongoing effort. While it may take some time and patience to build up these sources of income, the long-term payoff can be well worth the initial investment. And there you have it, our top tips for making $1,000 a week. Whether you choose to freelance online, start a side hustle, join the gig economy, or explore passive income opportunities, remember that consistency and perseverance are key. By taking action and staying focused on your goals, you can achieve financial success and create the life you've always dreamed of. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks on personal finance and entrepreneurship. See you next time.